Hey, what's going on, guys? Coming again Z. Recently I've made a few videos on automating virtual piano using PyAutoGUI package. So the idea is that we can mimic the on the operating system level. We can mimic key presses, so key press events on our keyboard, on a computer, on a physical keyboard basically, and this results in playing sound in this kind of web version. Web piano, this MIDI piano here. Okay, so just to give you an idea, so I can just use my mouse. However, I can use just, so if I just click, if I press a key, it results in sound. So the idea is to this sort of a piano has a music in a very nice notation. The notation is like not the music notes, I don't know them, but just like pure letters. And if we want to have some chords, it uses the like square brackets, and for delays it uses just the OR symbol. So a very interesting notation. So I made a Python script that is automating the process of parsing the file and eventually kind of mimics the key presses, so it results in music. Okay, so I have a video explaining how this script works, so it would be at the end, like suggestions for new videos. But it's not all the stuff yet, so in this video I wanted to share some of the insights on how I record the entire video. So the idea is that if I would be using my mic to record the speaker output, it's not going to be that great, so the quality would not be great. So eventually I've ended up with recording kind of audio and video in separate. So just to give you an idea, and then I'm using the Shotcut editor on Linux in order to bring all this stuff together. So here I have two files. This is the new upcoming video here. So here is the audio part. So I've been recording directly from the speaker output, so directly from my sound card basically. And so this was the sound, and image almost kind of freezing here because it's very processing power consuming task to say at least. And if I run my full-blown 25 frames per second mode for video recording, it doesn't work that great. It just starts being very laggy. So I reduced the number of frames per second to 1 and try to decrease the video compression, so just to free the processing power actually for handling these key presses, so the web-based MIDI keyboard is actually capable of producing sounds without a lag. And then I record this using the standard using the speaker's output, so directly from my sound card. So here I have the sound track. Okay, and now we need a video track. So video track, I recorded the video track in separate as well. So here is my video track, and here it also has some sound here, even though I'm trying to disable this. So I just record my screen, and I just paste in I'm pasting in this kind of like sound was supposed to be playing, adjusting the delay, and then I'm just running the script, and eventually it starts kind of working. So just running the script, play. Okay, so the sound is not that great, but I use the sound up until this point, and then I just mute the sound. So I used only the sound just to hear how I press the keys, so to give this feeling of a completely live stream. So now we need to take these two videos and bring them kind of all together. So I just want to show you what in particular am I doing. So I'm just opening this with a Shotcut, which is a very nice, lightweight, I would say, editor. So I'm creating three video tracks. So add video track, and add video track here as well. And then I just put the video here. Okay, then I put audio here, and then I need to put the video one more time. Now you'll see why exactly we need to put a video twice. So I hope this would be pretty clear. Okay, so just make them start from the very beginning. So for now, I'll mute the soundtrack and I don't want to show the video from that as well. And now I need to find the place. So I'm looking at this little screen, so I need to find the place where the script actually starts running, to figure out the place where I need to enable the soundtrack. So let's have a look. It's not here yet. Okay, so I can zoom out this a little bit. So let's have a look. So I'm looking here. So until the very first note kind of starts, and then I would be finding where exactly this is kind of happening. So right over in here. Okay, so now we need to zoom in. Okay, let's check this. So I remember it should be somewhere here. Check this one more time. Okay, one more time. Okay, so it should be somewhere over in here, right? Okay, here it is. Here it is. Okay, so here it is, right over in here. Now I need to select the first video track and split it. And I no longer need this right part, so just remove it. And then let me just put the video somewhere else. And then I need to go down, and here same thing, so split at this where we currently are. And here I need to delete this one, so remove it as well. Oh, sorry, something went horribly wrong. Sorry guys. Okay, so remove. What have I done? Yeah, for some reason it just gets... Okay, so it's not exactly what I used to do, but so let's say here. Okay, and okay, so now I need to make sure. Okay, so here I want to disable the sound, because here we need only the picture, so the sound would be working from here. And here we need this sound. So let's see if the picture is not broken. So it should be like naturally flowing from... Okay, I'm not sure why there was a delay. Well, maybe because I'm recording. That might be the case. Okay. Anyway, and now here is the track, so we need only sound here. We don't need to see this. Now let's adjust this like here, and the same thing. So delete the first part, and now the sound should start right over in here. Okay, so it might need some fine-tuning though, to make sure that the image and the sound match exactly. I don't know idea what's the proper way of doing this, but this is how I do this stuff. So now, as long as it would start playing, I'm sorry for lags because of the video recording software. It's not that fast as I would love this to have. So now it should... yeah, it seems like it's just okay. So I will now record the output. So just export the file and just give it a name. So this is the soundtrack from a famous K-drama I really love. And I just don't click this open because my computer is gonna die after, because it's very power consuming task. So I would just rather end the video and stop the recording, because otherwise the computer will go crazy completely. My laptop is quite pretty weak. But this is an idea. So here is how I combine the sound and the video. So eventually it looks like a single cut. So I'm trying to make this to make it look like a single cut. That's kind of guys. So I have no idea whether it was useful for you or not, guys. But that's how I've been making this virtual piano cover by PyAutoGUI videos on YouTube. And by the way, one important note, because of not the perfect sound of virtual piano on its own, because of lags from time to time, in most cases YouTube doesn't make any copyright claims, and I have 3 videos fully monetized, and only one video has a copyright claim, but there the record is too perfect, I would say. But anyway, still it allows like the sharing monetization kind of protocol, or I don't know how to call it. The shared monetization is enabled there. So I lose some income because of just sharing with the author, but still it is monetized. So that's kind of it from my side. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, and take care.